Alright. See that shiny part? Right there. Oh, shit, finger was in the way. It's a pain in the ass to put in. Well, it's a lot easier to put in than it was to take that whole thing out. Water pump, fan clutch, and fan all in one. And just a helpful hint for all you that think water is okay. Just plain water's and the engine is alright. Don't mind the grass, that's from, well, the grass. Don't. That's all I've got to say is don't. Just don't. I mean, I might now have this in my block and I'd have to flush everything out. I mean, I'm going to have to run something, some sort of descaling agent in there. I mean, look at that. It's just, I don't know. But don't do it. Always clean your mating surfaces before you install anything, whether it be water pump, head gaskets, intake throttle body gaskets, whatever it may be. Clean it thoroughly, and then go around tightening it down. Because boy, let me tell you what, that was a pain to get in. But spins free. I got no play in it whatsoever. The other one had a good 2/8 inch play. It was a fair bit. So always, if something's not working right in your engine, whether it be beautiful Dodge like that one there, or it be your Ford, or your Chevy, or your Honda, your Toyota, whatever you got, never ignore overheating signs. Because not only do I have to replace this now, I have to replace a throttle position sensor that goes here, an intake air temp sensor that goes right about here on another box. In fact, I'll show you what the intake air temp sensor looks like. Sorry, it's cold out here. That is your intake air temp sensor. The universal code for this is a P... No, not this one. For the throttle body, the throttle position control sensor, that is P0123. And that will go to this little thingy right here. If I move the butterfly, you can see that moves. That completes a circuit to tell the engine how much gas to give. So always check your vehicle. If you can't do it yourself, take it to a mechanic, tell them, hey, you know, this is the issue I'm having. They're either going to lie to you or they're going to be honest. It's a 50-50 shot. I mean, you might have to give an arm and a leg and maybe a half of a foot, but I think you'll be fine. Unless you know how to do it yourself. If you can do it yourself, good. Because I mean, I'm out here by cows that they're not even social distancing, and bastards. They need to. But I'm out here in Piedmont, Kansas. So, yes, this is a 2003 Dodge Dakota 4.7 liter V8 Magnum with 130,780 something miles on the clock. It's in my other video that I posted. I'll be posting this one and several others as one video if I can figure out how. Because this is iPhone, they don't allow you to just pause the video and then resume it when you want to. You gotta stop the video, create a new one, and then you can upload. So I'm going to find something, leave me suggestions on what I should download to use more often for video editing. I'm not going to edit, it's just if I can't make the full video at once, I'd like to know what I can use. Because I don't do this very often. And now I got to reinstall my alternator, the pulley that goes right there, which is right there, And then that should be about, oh, and the belt. I gotta reinstall the belt as well. And then that should be about it. I'm not gonna check any of the spark plugs today because I don't have any of them. I may do the check spark plugs today, see if they're good or if they're corroded. If they're gummed up, then I'll order some. If they're good, then I'll keep them. But yeah, that's all for now. Joe Dirt out of here.